What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of Infinix Note 5, which is just recently released, and I have got one device in my hands. And this one is very interesting device that first time Infinix has come with Android 1, and I haven't seen any device in my region which came with Android 1, which is from Infinix. This time the Infinix has joined this Android 1 league, and we have a big device by Infinix which is Note 5, and it is coming with Android 1, and it is having huge specifications. You can see on the back that we have 18:9 aspect ratio, which is actually 6 inches full HD infinity display. So the screen is actually very big and it is very tall phone, and we have a rear camera of 12 megapixels, which is having the micron pixels of 1.25, which are larger pixels, and they will capture more light and they will give better image quality. And the front facing camera is actually great. It is having 16 megapixels camera, and it is very good for low light quality. And next up we have 3 days of battery life. That is a huge battery life. Infinix is claiming that this phone will last for almost 3 days. It is having a huge battery of 4500 milliampere. I have never seen a phone with this much huge battery. There are phones by Xiaomi which have 5400 milliampere battery, but Infinix, I think, first time has introduced this huge battery. And we have MediaTek processor in this device, which is 2.0 gigahertz, and it is octa-core processor, and the processor name is 6750. And we have the fast charge, which is they are calling X charge. So this device is actually going to charge very fast. It is actually having very huge battery, so it may take 2 to 3 hours to charge, but I will just test it and let you guys know that how much time does it take. So we have the Android 1 markings below, that this device is actually supported by Android 1, and the color of this device is ice blue, and we have the model number, the X604, made in China. So these are few of the things which are written on the box, and the storage is 64 gigabytes and 4 GB RAM. So this is all about the box of this device, and the box itself is actually very heavy. Let me see what we have inside this box. I have already removed the wrappers outside this, so we do not have to do it inside the video because it takes too much time. So you can see we have a big wrapper up front, which again says the same specifications. So let me just remove it. Actually we have to bring the phone outside. So this is the phone itself, guys. So this phone actually feels very heavy. It is having a huge battery, and it is very thick. You can clearly see how thick the phone is. So let me show you from this angle. It will make you clear that how thick this phone is, because of a huge battery inside this phone. So let's just remove this cover, and let me just start this phone. Actually I just pressed the wrong button, and now we are pressing the power button, and this is Android 1. Let's just boot it up and let's see what we have inside this box. We have the SIM ejector tool up front, so let's just move next. Let me just open this one. We have the paperwork and nothing else. So this is very beautifully packed. Below we have a beautiful case. It is actually silicone case, and it is very much bendable, so this is great to see. And this is their fast charger, so they are calling it X charge. And where we have the markings, you can see the writings are here. Let me just make it focused, and it is actually 1.5 milliampere, and the output is actually 2 ampere, so it is going to be a fast charger. So that is great to see. And next up we have this cable, which is the charging cable, and this one is also micro USB cable. This is not the USB type C. That is sad to see. And these are the things. We do not have any kind of hand freeze inside this box. So these are all the things which are present inside the box of this phone. So we do not have any other thing. So let me just remove this wrapper too. So we have removed everything from this phone now. This is so beautiful, ice blue color. It is very shiny, so that is just great to see that how beautiful this phone looks with this color. Actually it is just great experience to have a look on this phone. One drawback which I am noticing, that it is very heavy. Next up we have this huge display of 6 inches, which is very bright, and it is very eye-capturing, and it is not irritating my eyes at all. So let us check out what we have on the physical aspects. We have 3.5mm headphone jack, we have a microphone, this is the charging slot, the speakers, and on the right side we have the power button and the volume rockers, and on the left side we should have actually we're not having this on this side. I am finding for the SIM slots, if I can truly find. Yes, we have this SIM slot on this side. You can clearly see this is the SIM slot. So we do not have anything on the left side. The left side is just clean and plain. Everything is present on the right side of the phone, and we have the front facing cameras. You can see this is the bulge of the front facing cameras, and we have a flash up front with the earpiece, and on the back we have with the flash, fingerprint scanner, and single camera. We do not have dual cameras, but these are great cameras, so I will be testing out these cameras too. So this is all about the physical aspects of the body. This is not glass, this is plastic, and it is not of that good quality. If you can hear the sound, this is very light plastic on the back. It is feeling like the battery is just in touch with this plastic. So this is all about the phone. So let me just move next. So we are going to select English, and let's start the phone, and let's skip this thing, and let's move next. We do not want the Wi-Fi right now. Let's this phone setup, and we have the dates, do not want to put any names. Let's just set up the fingerprint scanner, fingerprint plus pattern. So let me just put the pattern, move next. So it is confirmed. So now is the time for the fingerprint scanner. So let me check that how fast this fingerprint scanner is, and I will be telling you guys the performance of this fingerprint scanner. Right now I am just setting it up to see how well this one works. So let's move next. More, and I agree to these terms. No thanks, just complete the process. The phone is just ready to go. So guys, this is the phone. See how beautiful the display is. I am impressed by the display. The display is actually very beautiful. So let us go into the settings, and let me check out that which software version it is actually running on. So this is the status. We have Android 8.1.0. that is great to see that we are running on the latest version, and we have this Infinix model number. You can see X604, which I just showed you before when I was on the box. And these are few of the details about this phone, which is all the details, different aspects of the phone. So this is the phone itself. So the camera is actually giving a great quality, and I will be testing this camera, how this phone performs with this MediaTek processor. It is actually going to be very great. I will be posting all the videos related to this phone. So right now I have just unboxed this phone, and it is a great experience. It is Android One. It is going to be very smooth. The experience will be very fluent. It is not going to lag. Surely the device will perform better when you only have the Android own software, which is Android Oreo Direct. We do not have any skin on it, so it is surely going to perform great. So this is going to be very great experience using this phone on Android One, and I will be posting all the videos related to this phone, and I will be comparing it side by side with the Nokia 7 Plus, Mate and Lite, and I have few other devices, the Redmi Note 5, and I will be doing the gaming reviews and all other things about this phone. So I am impressed by the display of the phone, although the weight is actually quite high for this phone. And one bad thing which I noticed is that we have the single camera, we do not have the dual cameras. So maybe it can take bokeh by this single camera. So let's just check it out if this can take the bokeh effect with this single camera or not. If we are in the normal mode, so I do not think that this is going to take the bokeh effect. So let's just check it out. Yes, I do not think, but if I find anything like this that this is going to take the bokeh effect, I will be telling you guys about this. So this is all about the unboxing of this phone, and this has been a great experience to unbox this device. So I will be posting all other videos about this phone. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.